How about putting on your funkiest sweater, putting your feet up, popping some popcorn, and watching Jill Farday's favorite movie, Ratatouille.
Or you could get in the kitchen and make yourself a nice big pot of beans or soup. Look at that.
Improve your mind. Read a good book.
Or how about baking some bread?
And learn how to make hash browns on your panini press.
Or how about this? Let's rearrange our kitchen cabinets. Yay! Of course, you could rearrange your closet. Or not. Video chat with someone you love. Oh, I know. It's so good to see you. And you can refill those liquid soap bottles. Express your inner artist. Not bad. Shh. Or maybe take a nap. And most importantly, we need to stay hydrated. We love you all. Hang in there. It's going to get better. Take care.